Hawks. Welcome to your first 2021 edition of Hawk Talk 2 and 2, where every other week we recap district events, we highlight individuals, groups, and achievements, and we keep you informed on what's coming up. I'm this week's host, Brenda Sanford, proud superintendent of Red Oak ISD. I cannot believe our first day of school was just a week and a half ago. We are still so excited. We've had a record number of new students join our Hawk Nation as we settle into our new routines. Together, we can educate our awesome Hawks in the safest in-person environment possible. Please review our campus guidelines and follow our Return to Learn webpage. This past Monday, Red Oak High School held the annual Meet the Hawks event to celebrate the fall athletes, band, drill, and cheer squads. Our sports teams have begun competing across the Metroplex, and our varsity football team have their first game tonight at ENNIS. To see all the schedules, follow athletics on our website and social media, including our new Hawks fan page. We want to remind all students and parents that we updated our calendar to accommodate the required interventions this year. The week of January 4th, students who have been identified for additional instruction will come to school. Accelerated instruction will also be offered each week to close those achievement gaps. I am personally eager to meet each of you. Keep an eye out for my new coffee talks at each campus this fall. Parents can visit with me in a casual setting with some coffee and a snack. Hopefully I'll see you at one of these scheduled events, but if not, please be sure and catch me around the district and say hello. Our first Colors for Caring Day of the year is next Wednesday. These special days each month give everyone a chance to wear a color that represents a medical condition or a cause that they support. Safety Week is next week, where schools will hold fire, tornado, and lockdown drills to allow students and staff to learn and practice proper safety procedures. During the drills, visitors will not be able to access the front office until the drill is complete. We appreciate your patience as we focus on school safety. Join the Hawks for the annual Red Oak Founders Day Parade and celebration on Saturday, September the 11th. The Mighty Hawk Band, Drill, and Cheer will be on hand, plus food trucks, games, performances, and much, much more. Be sure and come see who will be in the dunk tank, hosted by the district. Remember, Monday, September 6th is Labor Day, and all schools will be closed. This will be a great day to spend time with your family. This wraps up the first edition of Hawk Talk. We'll see you again in 2 weeks with our first feature story of the season. Enjoy your week ahead and go Hawks!